The first thing you'll notice about this bad boy is it's actually pretty big and heavy. This thing is hefty, and I think that actually makes it quite a nice deal. Let's see. First off, what you can do is you can take off these pieces down here, and you can screw them in, as you can see right here. You can also unscrew this piece to replace it. The nice thing about this kit is that it actually comes with 3 separate pieces that you can replace right in here. The other nice thing about this is just how simple it is. As you can see, all it is a lever mechanism with a spring and just a driver. So as long as you have a little bit of strength in your arms, you're pretty much set to use this thing, and you do not have to worry about not getting that grommet in perfectly every single time. This thing eliminates the need for a hammer, so you don't have to go out and hammer it every single time. This thing is very simple to use. It looks just so industrial. I mean, holy moly. It's all made of metal. This thing's pretty heavy, and I totally recommend it for anybody looking to replace the hammer that they typically use for their grommet machine.